Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and making the first connections. Check the compressor's voltage rating and plug into a properly grounded, dedicated circuit. This prevents tripped breakers. Once power is confirmed, inspect the tank, fittings, and oil level if it's oil lubricated so you avoid premature wear. Position the unit on a level surface with at least 2 to 3 feet clearance for airflow. Then attach the supplied intake filter and hand-tighten hose fittings. You'll torque them later to prevent leaks. Once done with basic hookups, focus on plumbing and control setup so the compressor performs reliably. Mount a pressure regulator and an FRL assembly downstream to protect tools and control condensate. Connect the air hose using appropriate thread sealant, then secure clamps and route the hose away from heat and pinch points. Make sure to set the cut-in and cut-out pressures per the manual. This controls cycle frequency. Finally, run the compressor unloaded for 5 to 10 minutes while listening for leaks or abnormal vibration. Finish by performing final checks and a guided troubleshooting tip so you can resolve common issues quickly. Drain the tank after the initial run to remove trapped moisture, inspect for oil or air leaks, and tighten any loose fittings. Test the safety valve and pressure switch under a light load to confirm correct operation. If something goes wrong, isolate air leaks with soapy water on joints. If the motor won't start, check the circuit breaker and the start capacitor. Make adjustments, then retest until performance is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.